Best baking tips. Love desserts but trying to eat healthier? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you simple swaps to make your favorite treats healthier without sacrificing flavor. Let's get baking. First, let's talk sugar. Instead of refined white sugar, try natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or mashed dates. They add sweetness ++ extra nutrients and a richer flavor. Bonus tip: you can also cut sugar by up to 25% in most recipes without anyone noticing. Flour matters. Swap all-purpose flour for whole wheat, oat, or almond flour. They add fiber, nutrients, and a slightly nutty flavor that makes your desserts taste * even better. Whole wheat works great in muffins and cookies, while almond flour keeps cakes light and moist. Now let's lighten things up. Instead of using all butter or all, swap in applesauce, Greek yogurt, or mashed avocado. These add moisture and richness without all the extra fat. For example, in brownies, replacing half the butter with applesauce keeps them fudgy and delicious. Want more flavor without extra sugar? Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract work wonders. Cocoa powder makes chocolate desserts richer, and citrus zest adds brightness. Small changes equals big flavor. And there you have it, healthier desserts that taste just as good. Try these swaps in your favorite recipes and let me know how they turn out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more baking tips. See you next time! Best baking tips.